Welcome back to my channel, and a big welcome to all first-time viewers. Today, I'm diving into the amazing benefits of including beetroot in your morning routine. Beetroot isn't just a vibrant addition to your breakfast, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's explore how it can transform your mornings and boost your overall well-being. First up, beetroot is a natural remedy for improved blood pressure. It's packed with nitrates, which can help lower your blood pressure and contribute to better cardiovascular health. Need a morning energy boost? Beetroot has you covered. Those nitrates we mentioned earlier can enhance oxygen flow to your muscles, potentially increasing your stamina and energy levels. Perfect for starting your day off on the right foot. But that's not all. Beetroot is also a great source of dietary fiber, which can promote healthy digestion. So, say goodbye to morning bloating and discomfort. Beetroot contains antioxidants like betalains, which may help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. This can be a fantastic way to kickstart your day with a dose of natural defense against oxidative stress. And for those of you concerned about cognitive function, here's a bonus: some studies suggest that the nitrates in beetroot may benefit brain health. Also help boost a sharper mind to conquer the day. If you're into detoxing your body, beetroot can help with that too. It supports the liver's natural detoxification processes, making it an excellent addition to your morning routine. Now, the big question: how can you incorporate beetroot into your daily diet? It's simple. You can start your day with a glass of fresh beetroot juice. Or add slices of beetroot to your morning salad. You could also whip up a delicious beetroot smoothie or even make beetroot pancakes for a colorful and nutritious breakfast. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on including beetroot in your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or medical conditions. With that said, get ready to seize the day with the power of beetroot in your morning routine. That's all for today, my viewers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and wellness wisdom. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.